Okay, good morning, children. No need to wish me again. Now, just don't write anything unless I ask you to write. Now, we finished learning about ascending order, but we are not sure of writing it, how you do the work if the work is given. Now, we'll see. Now, we are
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
again, Andit, please send a
Ma'am,
message.
I cannot hear you. We want to write.
I am sending a message and he's not seeing, Andit. Some problem for your system, Andit. Just read the message, Andit, because he cannot hear me. Some problem. Ritun? Good. Okay, now. Now, don't worry about fee. I want you to write now as I just dictate, okay? As I dictate. Wait. All must get ready.
Ma'am, I can't see your presentation.
Now, wait now. It's not at now, only it's time. Now, you just wait and listen to me. Don't write anything unless I dictate. Okay?
We
Now,
write this. Ma'am,
if anyone
we
disturbs
write
me, I
this.
will just stop. I told you, open your classwork note. Open your classwork note. Please open your classwork note. And turn off your camera and the mic. Yes. Now, open your classwork note. Slowly we will do the work. Take a new page. I want the children to do this because they are not writing. Somebody is helping them. So they are telling, I don't know how to write this, that. Please take out your notebook. I will tell you how to write. Take out your notebook. On the first line, on the first line, on the first line, see how it's written over there? That is the margin where you have written A. Margin. Margin. See the margin where it's written A. So don't worry about all that. First line, write R E W R I T E. Rewrite. Just see. Rewrite. R E W R I T E. Don't worry, I will read slowly. Rewrite. Leave space. One finger distance. Leave space. Just keep your finger. Then THE. The. Rewrite the numbers. 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 N I N. N. A S C. A S C. E N D. Ascending. Ascending. Order. A S C E N D I N G. Ascending. Already we have taken this class. Now we are just going to write in your classwork. Ascending order. O R D E R. Order. In bracket write C dot W dot. That means classwork where you do now. Now see the margin. A is written in the margin. How it's given there? Exactly like that. A is written. Now leave the next column. First square. Write the number as it is 496. 496. Leave a square. 286. When you write, you don't say 286. Say in your mind 286. Now leave a square. 516. 16. Next. 390. 390. Now check the numbers clearly because you must not make mistake. First one 496. Second one 286. 516. 390. Now see how I have drawn a small line. I just put a line below hundredth place. Okay. Below hundredth place. Now under 4 you just draw a line. Under 2 draw a line. Under 5, under 3. Here hundredths place numbers are different. If you want to write these numbers in ascending order, you have to see like this. Hundreds place numbers 4, 2, 5, 3. Then you have to write the smallest number. Just look at the screen, children. Now write. You know the smallest. Very good. You know, I know that. So you just strike like how I did. See here. Strike that number. Write at once that number. You can write the number, then strike it also, no problem. But this is better because you won't make mistake. Now write the number here. First column. Yes. Now you finish striking the 286. You got the answer in the first column. Just see again. Yes. Just observe. Write slowly. No, you got that answer. This is your classwork, so I'm not asking question now. I want you to learn how to do. Just observe. Now you just check 4, 5, 3. Smallest number among these 3 numbers. See the last one. 390. You write 300. See, children, somebody is going on disturbing in between. You have to listen. You have to listen. I'll give you a chance. 390. Now just check 2 numbers. We finish striking them out and we finish writing it. Now only 496, 516. 2 numbers are left. See there? Number 4, number 5. Smallest in that. You have 496. 496. Parents, don't help the children now because let them
Ma'am,
learn.
already strike, ma'am.
Okay. But you just wait for others. See, I cannot see your face in between. I cannot tell you, keep quiet. To that, so please listen now, okay? Let others learn how to do it. Now, 516, only one is left. 516. Now you strike that number, right? Now you got 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know this, this numbers are written correctly from ascending order. These numbers starting with 2, then 3, then 5. So there is no mistake, you know that, okay? You have to check. Check how many numbers are there in the question. 4. How many numbers are there in the answer? 4. So you know that this is correct. Now, you just leave the next row, next line, leave one square and see how it's written. B in your margin. B in your margin. B in your margin. Don't be in a hurry. It will take time for you to understand. I will go slowly. You write B in your margin. Now leave the first column, that is first square. Then just below the 286, see, you left one column. See, I just left one white column, one square, right? 600. 600, leave one square. 900. 900, leave one square. 800. 800, leave a square. 700. Some children will do fast, but listen to my instructions, okay? 700. Now, 4 numbers are there. 600, 900, 800, 700. Now, just underline hundreds place numbers. You learn many things from all these children. See the place, which place each number lies. Hundreds place number, I ask you to underline. Please underline hundreds place number. 6, 9, 8, 7. Now that we'll have to see the smallest number from the given numbers. You all know it is 600. Next, wait. All must write. Strike that 600. You will say cut. Strike it. Then write the answer at once down. Only one line. Don't make it very bad. I would show you same way. Second smallest day. Out of 987, 700. 700. Now 900, 800. You will get 800. You will get 800. Now you can read in your mind 600, 700, 800. Only one number is left. That is 900.
Ma'am, write slow, ma'am.
Now I am just giving you enough time to write the answers.
Write slow, ma'am. I can't write.
Yes, I am doing it very, very slowly. I'm reading one by one the numbers and I'm just waiting for you now. Only after completing this, I will go to the next. You just complete. Those who did not complete this work. I'm telling you slowly, so you must write. When I don't, you will be copying it. That won't make you understand. Okay, that won't help you. So, see the answer for the first one. You can go back to the recording and see again and again. Now, 286, 396, 516. Now you come to the second one, B. B. It is 600. I'm just reading the answers. 600, 700, 800, 900. I think all must have finished this because nobody's telling me I did not write, ma'am. So I think I can go to the, yes, good children. Good, I will wait. If you have any problem, you must just tell me, ma'am, I did not write. That's all. That's enough. Okay, I'll wait for you. Now that you have completed this, the same page, don't write again the heading. One more sum we are giving. One more. So don't write the heading. Okay, just leave a line down. Write C. You got place over there. Leave a line down. Write C in your margin. How you wrote A and B, you just write letter C in your margin. Clear, children? Yes, no need to answer. I'm just telling you. C. Now leave your first square. 300. 300. So you write 3. 81. 381. Don't write the heading. Continue. Leave a square. 581. 581. 181. 181. 181. The last one. 281. 281. First one. 381. 581. 181. 281. I'll just wait. Just check all these 4 numbers. Don't write 1818. It's all 81. I'm just waiting because somebody again started disturbing. Never mind, you just, I know you'll be very, very tired. Now I finished teaching you 2 sets of numbers. Now here, the same way, you underline hundreds place numbers. Somebody's laughing over there. Misty, stop playing. Misty, listen. Good child. Okay. Now, only underline the first numbers. Don't worry about 181. Only underline the first numbers. Okay, only underline. Now you have to check 3, 5, 1, 2. 3, 5, 1, 2. Now the smallest number, just look at the numbers only. Don't be distracted. 3, 5, 1, 2. First one. Yes. Strike the third number over there. 181. Now you will get the answer here down. As soon as you strike it, write the answer. 181. You can do it, but others, those who don't know, do with me. Second smallest number. Strike right. You finish striking now. I'm just doing with you here in one notebook. Then I'm writing the answer 281. Yes. Take the third number. Third number. Yes. Strike. Yes. Just flying and coming over there. See that? 381. You have the answer over the third number. 381.
Ma'am,
Mm,
will the
yes.
class be over?
No. Got more. 10 minutes. Now you just wait. You just listen to me, okay? Harish. Who's that? Harish. Yes, turn off your camera. Now the last number. The last number. 581. Actually, for you will have only two sets of numbers, two ascending, two
Thank
descending.
you, ma'am.
But no, it's not yet over. Please don't say thank you. Then all will tell thank you. Class is
Ma'am,
not
I
yet over.
don't write in first one, ma'am.
Never mind, it will come to you later. Don't worry. Because I just heard somebody laughing and playing. You don't worry about not writing. You can go back. Don't disturb the class because others are writing with me. Okay? Those are playing in between. You can go back to the recording and do it. Now, next one. No problem. No problem. Now, we'll
Thank
just.
you,
No,
ma'am.
no, don't say thank you. Then all will leave the class. Wait. Listen. Next. 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 Take a new page. Now, this is very easy for you. That's what I'm just giving you. I will only explain. Okay. No need to give long explanation now. Take a new page. Take a new page. How we did ascending order, that is writing numbers from small to big. We will do descending from big to small. Already we finished learning ascending order. Now we are just going to do this in your notebook. So tomorrow when you start your math class, when you have math class, we will start this again, descending order. Now I'm just going to teach you. Just write, rewrite. Please write,
Start writing, ma'am. I writing only date only.
rewrite, rewrite. R-E R-I-T-E, rewrite. T-H-E, some children, don't know whether one or two, making noise in between. Don't talk to me, please, children. Please listen now. Mishti, turn off your camera, please. Thank you, Mishti. Now, rewrite the numbers. T-H-E, rewrite the numbers. T-H-E, new page, the new page. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. In I-N, in descending. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, SC DESC, C for cat, ending ENDING, descending order. That means writing the numbers from Jasiel. Please turn off your camera. Descending order, big to small. Don't worry about all this. When we give you numbers, we'll give only 2 or 3 rows of numbers. So you will be able to do. Now we are explaining, so we are giving. Now, as you did for the ascending order, that's your margin. In your margin, write A. In your margin, see that red line over there? Write A. Leave one square. Leave one square. Class should be like this, very quiet. That means all attentive. Thank you, children. Now, leave a square. 400. 400. Leave one square. 200. 200. Leave a square. 500. 5, 0, 0. Leave a square. 300. 300. Now 400, 200. Same way, underline the hundreds place number. Forget about underline the hundreds place number. Forget about ascending order now. That is small to book, sorry, small to big. Now this is descending order, big to small, biggest to the smallest, big number to small number. Okay, biggest to the smallest number. 4, 2, 5, 3. Now see the biggest number over here. This is classwork. Explanation is given. You don't worry about anything. It will be done again tomorrow when you start. Now 500 is the biggest number. Strike it out. Strike 500. The answer will come to the first row, first column, just below. Don't worry about the questions now. 500. Next one, after just biggest number 500, next biggest 400. Strike that number 400. Strike 400. Write it down. Now you see 5, 4. Out of 200 and 300, which is the biggest number out of 200 and 300? Yes, 300. Now you know the answer. Last one, 200. See now, check. Slowly you check. Don't be in a hurry because only one more sum. Don't be in a hurry. Don't distract the class. Don't disturb the class. Just see 500, 400, 300, 200. There are four numbers in the question, four numbers in the answer. Answer is right. Now you just leave one row down, leave a line in the margin B. Only when you practice these numbers, you will be able to do. You cannot copy the answers. You cannot write it from somebody else or like without listening in class. Okay, maths is different from all other subjects. So you have to concentrate. You must be attentive. Good. Now see 297. I'll call out 297. 813. 813. 813. 417. 417. 417. Now 108. 108. Slowly I'll tell you. 297. Leave a square. 813. 417. 417. 108. 108. Now just see the biggest number. Please underline all the hundreds place numbers. 2, 8, 4, 1. Yes, you can do it fast. 2, 8, 4, 1. 2, 8, 4, 1. Biggest number is 8. Just write that number 813. 813. Write the number here. Slowly, slowly. Don't be telling thank you and leave the class. Just wait. Just 2 minutes. Yes, after this you are free, so just wait. 800. You need more time to write. Now you have 2, 4, 1. Check. 2, 4, 1. Yes, next number. Among these three numbers, the biggest number, 417. Let me write in my notebook. 417. You must have written before me. Now, two numbers are left. 297. No, no. Don't disturb, please. Towards the end, don't disturb. 297. I will write 297. Yes. 108. 108. Now just check all the answers for the two rows of numbers. I will start with descending order. Two rows of numbers I'll give you tomorrow also. Okay. Now you don't worry about it. You just go through this recording and try to learn. You have to learn. Is it clear? Don't worry about any worksheet now. After teaching everything, we will send. Now don't disturb, please. Now 1 minute. I want everybody to write till today's work. Okay. See that, see that.
Ma'am,
Now,
class is finished.
yeah, now you,
No. Ma'am, class is finished.
thank you, thank you. Class is
Thank you,
over.
ma'am.
Thank you. You can leave
Thank you,
now.
ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.